What's going on, guys? Today I want to show you guys one of my favorite trim products. It is made by Cerakote and it's their trim coat. Stuff works really well in any textured plastic. If it's smooth, doesn't have any texture to it, it really won't bond. It'll just kind of streak and make a mess. Same thing with like window trim moldings. It's not good for that, but stuff like this on Jeeps. Basically all you want to do is make sure that wherever you're placing it has already been cleaned and nice good dry surface. It's self-levels, so you don't have to worry about it being too thick in any spots. Just kind of wipe it across. Wear gloves. Doesn't have the greatest odor. It's got kind of a little bit of a strong chemical kind of smell to it, but it dissipates pretty quick. The stuff lasts for, they say up to a year. I think it's rated like 200 washes, so it definitely does stay on there for quite a while. Super easy to apply, can't get much easier than that. It does come with gloves in the box as well. You can buy it at Walmart, Amazon, a few different places, but stuff works amazingly well. Just kind of fold the towel over as you go. Stuff like this where it's textured, it's a little bit more of a pain to get down anybody. It works. I'll put the links down below to Amazon where you can get the packs. They come in either 10 or 50 packs on Amazon. Typically use right around 3 to 4 in a vehicle is kind of what I found. It depends on how much plastic there is, you know, how much you have to cover, but usually I'd say about 3 is kind of the average. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.